depends where you get it from.
TRX.
Who are you getting it from?
Directly from the manufacturer.
Oh.
Supercharger's hidden.
I got
Nice.
shit for everything. You gotta fucking...
Big racks.
I'm surprised you ain't get...
TRX headlights.
That blue is clean though. That purple, I'm running that purple.
Okay, you're not allowed to do blue because my car's blue.
What's that purple right there?
I like
That's
that.
it.
Hey, that's the color I'm driving with.
Mm-hmm.
I'm over here just like fun.
Other one's out, you know. It's coming together.
She gonna be mean as fuck.
Oh, for real.
Now it's coming together.
Shit, once you slap that lip on there, motherfucker, or whatever the fuck.
That big ass fucking lip.
No, that bitch called an upper lip.
Nah, for real.
No, where's part? That's a 2-part piece.
That's fucking sweet though.
Yeah, it's sweet. It still does like
Alright, now let's see if that shit.
put them back together though. It's finished, y'all. Yeah, it is real live snowing again. It is not playing. It's real live snowing. It don't look really like, it might be tripping. It don't really look like snowing on the camera. I'm just driving through this joint for y'all. Hey, bro, he got a license plate cover on that. What the fuck? Oh, it is snowing out this joint. I really look good. Let me see. I'll do a fake little donut. Buddy. Why the that traction just blew me. Let me make a left down here. I said it the first time. I had to brake a little bit. This is my turn. Downhill crazy. There's real life snow here. Shut up, pussy. That's what's wrong with my city. They see shit like that and get to crying. City full of bitch. Oh snap! Crossing right there. Oh, I ain't gonna do it right there.
Did she tell you not to go?
I don't. I wish. Whoa! Oh my god! I go in there. Skinny as shit right here. Oh, it's a. Oops! It's a roundabout. Should I? It's me. Just taking the long route, y'all. Oh. That John would have said, "Pa, pa." Egos ain't like that.
Crazy. Oh
Feels
my
great. Hell that bit. You wanna see this jump? You wanna see this whip? tires because these joints ate up, especially from last video or from the other day. Yeah, my joint's on the wire. I'm gonna show y'all when I get out. When we get there, got my car riding all rumbly. It's a cool, smooth day. All the snow melted. Thank God. Pretty quickly. Oh my God. May not be a good idea. It's a little wet right now. Sketchy right there. Of course, it was wet right under the bridge. On the tires, I think. I'm trying to find it. Huh?
Alright, go ahead. You done.
Oh my God.
You join over that with that,
What?
Alright, finish. You want 55517 car?
I look back at the video, I was blowing chunks. I had to finish them hoes.
Blew through that joint.
I'm sorry. My fault.
Oh no. It's not good. Damn, I thought I was gonna need scissors. They're all clean. Let's do it on the other side, but I will do that when we get to that wheel. But yeah, I'm sure it did. Y'all look how them tires shit out. I don't know if y'all remember, I was telling y'all them 315s gonna change how that joint sit. Them joints about to really look good. Look how they sit on the wheel. Slump. Getting the other wheel on, look like it. This is so sweet.
What?
Look at this. 800 horsepower. But them 315s made a difference. Them joints flush. I still feel like I can come out a little bit more. Them 315s got good. Yeah. let off a little bit. You know, I got my PTSD, you know, from being slippery, but Slim, we moved. We moved. You already know, belt the ass. Pick one, brother. So dirty, I'm sorry, y'all.
OG was like, what the fuck? That nigga looking at this side, like, oh my god, what is about to happen?
Slim,
Okay, stay over there.
don't move. Stop moving.
Oh my god, Auntie look mad and shit.
We don't care. I'm a problem now. I'm going to Mexico, nigga.
That's right. I just got some ties. I'm finally hooking.
Hey, bro, it's about that time.
It's about that time. It's getting warm outside.
Get that bitch, boy.
Yeah, it's about time. You get home safe, man.
Yes, sir. Likewise, Brody.
You too.
Damn.
Hey, bro, turn that shit off.
See, I gotta stop smoking, y'all. I said, be safe. He said, likewise. I said, you too.